Oh, I'm sorry. You caught me chewing there. Why am I chewing? Because this is so delicious. It's the first thing I ever cooked in my entire life. Bread of banana, and I've updated it, so let me show you. This is my mom's roommate from 1978's recipe, except I've made alterations to it, so it's not her recipe anymore. Okay, coconut oil. Coming with the sugar. 2 eggs. Egg 1. Okay, egg number 2. Very nice. Pink. All right, and just mix this up with your machine from the future. Going with medium speed, just trying to get a homogeneous mixture here. Break up the yolk and the white, combine them all into one. That looks good. So when your bananas get overripe, it's the perfect time to make banana bread because their flavor is more intense. They've got a darker color. They give you that deep dark color. Speaking of bananas, have you ever had a hard time opening the banana? Monkeys do it from the bottom. Always works. So from now on, open your bananas from the bottom. Hashtag bottom banana. Fun fact, if you put the bananas in the freezer, they turn black really, really quickly, and it like ripens them in an amazingly fast time. It's like fast forwarding time. Like 2 hours of banana in the freezer, seriously. Fast forwards like a week of them on the counter. Okay, so here's banana, and just mash the banana. I remember doing this as a little kid. The step that I remember more than any other was sifting the flour. My mom insisted that I sift the flour because the recipe said to. And I realize now, like, sifting the flour is such an old-fashioned thing to like get the bugs out of it, but there's no more bugs in our flour. And none of it clumps together anymore, so you can get out with the sifting. No more sifting. Okay, bananas in. The flour from the future that you no longer have to sift because they figured out a way to make bugs not want to hang out in it. Seriously, I'm not kidding, it's the truth. All right, we've got baking soda. We've got salt. We've got some coconut chips. And we have sour cream. This is gonna give us some smoothness. It's gonna lift it. It also reduces the amount of oil and butter that we have to put in there. Down with the mixer. And this time we're gonna go slow because we don't want the flour to puff up in the air and then you got a big mess. So once the flour's incorporated, you could hit it up just a little bit. Okay, just scrape down the sides a little. It's a very quick mix. I mean, that was going for 25 seconds probably. We got our greased up pan, got our bowl. I'm gonna put the banana bread batter into the greased pan. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. And you just put this in the oven. 350 degrees for a full hour. What are you gonna do for that full hour? I hate waiting. I hate waiting. Ding! Oh, yay, it's done! Banana bread is fresh out of the oven. It has cooled enough that it's actually gonna pop out of this pan. Guys, here's a delicious banana bread. It's all ready, but do you think we're gonna stop here? No, because we don't roll like that. We go above and beyond. So what's the next step? The next step is honey and coconut chips. A little bit of honey is gonna be the glue. And then you put the contrast white snowy flakes on top. It's an updated version of the first thing I ever cooked in my entire life, and I'm super excited. Let's cut into it. Gorgeous inside, very soft personality, springs back beautifully. The ultra-ripe banana has created these beautiful speckled bits. It's a very exciting day in the world of Frankie. Can't go wrong. So good. Intense coconut flavor, intense banana flavor, and the sugar that I was looking for in this moment right now.